Hello friends, this is CJ here. Okay, so Microsoft has just launched its Windows 11 operating system and right from the outset it looks pretty good actually, pretty slick. But it does have one constraint. So it requires the TPM module to be present in both and either your laptop or your desktop. So what is TPM? T as in Tango, P as in Peter, M as in Mike. It stands for Trusted Platform Module. So in a nutshell, so if this is actually a combination of both the hardware and the software working together to protect your laptop. So if you have the TPM enabled on the BIOS, it's a hardware thing, a hardware chip on your motherboard. If it is there and you have enabled it, and so you will have your hard drive encrypted by the TPM module, and in case you happen to lose your laptop or your desktop, or it gets stolen, then the bad actor would not be able to retrieve data from the hard drive because it's already encrypted using the encryption keys which are stored in the TPM chip, right? Okay, so Microsoft actually wanted to beef up the security. That is the reason why they would want to have this particular TPM chip present in any target machine where Windows 11 needs to be installed. So we would like to see as to whether this particular chip is actually installed on your laptop or not. And if it is not there, then what we can do in order to get around this. Okay. And so, without much further ado, let's first check whether the TPM is there or and it's also enabled. Okay, so click on the start button and start typing. If you have a different start button, what you can do is you can hold down the Windows key, hold on the Windows key and press R like this, and it's going to open the run window. Hold on this Windows key. I have this classic Windows 7 start menu which I use because I don't like the new one. But if you don't have it, if you have the old one, if you have the Windows default one like this, let me show you this one. Yeah, like this. So you can just press and hold the Windows key and press R. Okay, and here you type tpm.msc. So it stands for Trusted Platform Module Microsoft Console, and click on OK. All right. So here you see that my personal laptop is TPM ready. So it says the TPM is ready. You may have a different kind of error message, or it could say compatible TPM cannot be found. Now, if you have that kind of issue, have no fear. First of all, you have to see how old your laptop is. If it is too old, chances are that you may not have a TPM chip. Well, in that case, something else can be done. If you have a recent laptop or something relatively recent, and you still see an error message that says compatible TPM cannot be found, well, in that case, it may not be enabled in the BIOS setting. Now you have to refer to your the product guide of your laptop in order to see if the TPM is actually enabled, because there are many laptops and it's difficult for me to kind of provide you the a guide for everything like Dell, Toshiba, Lenovo, and what have you. So just try to go to the product guide and see if the TPM is actually present, and if it is present, then how to enable that in the BIOS. Okay, now there is another way you can confirm, and Microsoft has actually kind of given out a readiness application in order to see if your laptop is, or your desktop for that matter, is Windows 11 ready or not. So I'm going to leave the link to this of that particular page on the description, but here it comes. On clicking this link, it will automatically start downloading the Windows PC Health Checkup setup, all right, which on running will let you know the readiness of your PC or your laptop in order to install this particular application. Okay, so let me just see if I can download this application here. All right, so I have downloaded this application, as you can see, Windows PC Health. You click on it, and this is the first time I'm installing on my laptop, so I'm actually doing it with you. right? So accept this EULA and click on next. Okay, open this and let's see what it brings up. And it is safe to install as well because Norton says that it is safe to install. Okay, so I think it's doing something. Okay, this is the thing. Now it says, let's check if the PC meets the system requirement. So click on check now. And yeah, the PC can run Windows 11. It just straight away said that it can run. So great news. While if you have the TPM installed and your system actually meets the system requirements, like it requires 4 GB of RAM, it requires at least 1 gigahertz of CPU usage, a CPU. So if you have those kind of things in your system, then the chances are that it will definitely going to give you a positive result, right? However, if you still get did not do not get this a positive result out here, first of all, you have to see whether the TPM chip is actually enabled or it's even there in a system by once again going back to the guide, and then you will figure it out. Then you can run this setup once again and to get this message like this one, right? Okay, so my laptop is Windows 11 ready, and I should be able to install it as and when it comes out for general purpose. Okay, I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.